Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete our admin portion. So right now you can actually log in with the admin, right? So here if you add that admin and then /login, and now if you put your admin user and email address as an admin and password was as a password, click as enter. So now it's perfectly redirected to you to the admin dashboard, right? So here is successfully redirected to the admin dashboard. But right now they have some of the issues for our main logging, that means the user logging. If you click as a appropriate email address, if you put that appropriate password as udemy12345, and now if you click as a logging, so now it's showing that confidential some of the error. So that means it's not appropriately working, right? So here if you want to solve it, so maybe I did something wrong. Let's find out that part. So right now better I want to close everything. So that is our admin controller and that is our Fortify controller. That means there is a providers and there is a Fortify service providers, right? So into this Fortify here, into the register, I name it as the admin controller. So also I load that admin controller and I added the class as the attempt to authenticate and the redirect two-factor authenticable. So here I take both of these and also I load it, right? So here I load, and here you can see friend, here I am actually using this authenticate to authenticate. That means the attempt to authenticate, I am using the default one, that means the Laravel Fortify action, right? But I have already take this two of this file as the attempt to authentication and the redirect to two-factor authentication above. So everything I get it in, I take it in particular this folder, that means our Fortify folder. So into the Fortify folder they have the two files. One is the attempt to authenticate and another one actually that is a redirect to factory authenticatable, right? So here I have created both of these. So right now I want to use this one. That means our main one. I have already added both of these for our admin. So you can see here I am actually using that default one. So better I want to change that path. That means here it will be as an app and into this app, and after that there is your actions folder, right? That is actually the main problem. So that is our actions, and after that actions that is our Fortify. So that is our Fortify, and after that Fortify that is our attempt to audience. Okay, so here I want to use this one. So I also want to update that path. I also want to update that path for our redirect two-factor authenticable. That means this file I also want to use this one, not the default one. So I simply paste it. Okay friends, so now here is that means this register method is now using our all that class. So now everything should be work. Okay, so now here I simply update it and also make that sure in our admin. Into the admin here I want to do, that means here I am also using that redirect two-factor authentication attempt to authenticate. So here I am using, you can see here I am also using that our default one. So here I have to actually update it. I have to update this file. That means these two of this file I want to access, not the default one. So here also we have to change it. So I want to change it. That means our path will be changed. Our path will be changed for our attempt to authenticate. For this one, this file I want to use, and also I want to use this file. So that is actually the another one. So that is actually another one, right? So here also I want to update this path. So I simply update both of these. Perfect. So now let's check this out. So before that is for the reasons actually it may get some of the credential errors. So now I updated both of these. So now I want to use this one, not the default one. So now let's check this out. If you click as a save all. So as I told you friend, when you actually face some of the issues, there have also some of the solution. So now if you refresh it, so right now I'm logging. So I have already one of the user. So that is our user as a user@gmail.com, and also they have the password. So now if you click as a login, yes, now you can see friend, now we are successfully logged in by the user, right? So here I'm using the same dashboard. So also there is a profile. If you go to that profile, you can see that is perfectly display that profile for the user. There is email address also for the user, right? So now I want to access our another dashboard. That means another dashboard as a admin logging. Now let's check both of these, admin/logging. And now I want to if you use that into the admin logging area with the user, click as a logging. Now you can see it's now showing that error. Because of all, right now we are using another auth, that is our guard as the admin, right? So now here we have to use our admin. That means in our admin they have also one of the email address and the password as a password default one. So now I want to use it as a admin @gmail.com and password. Okay, and now I want to click as a login. Yes, you can see, friend, it's now successfully done. That means right now I am logging with the hi admin authentication page. So now it's successfully redirected to the admin authenticate, right? So here it's now successfully logged in. And also if you click as a logged out, it's successfully logged out and redirected to the logging page. If you logging the user, click as a password, dashboard, hi user, and then log out and go to our admin one. That means that is actually our admin, right? So that will be as a admin and /logging. So now that is the email address and the password for the admin, actually admin, and password. Now click as a login. Yeah, it's now successfully logged in. So right now our multi-authentication system is now successfully done for the admin, and also it's now successfully done for the user. Right, friend? I hope it's very much clear to you how you can do that work, and everything is now perfectly working. So that's all for multi-authentication system with Jetstream and Fortify. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.